This afternoon, the fourth plenary meeting of the Intergovernmental Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services had its first breakthrough. The summary for policymakers for the report on pollination was sent for approval to the plenary meeting tomorrow morning. Still under discussion are the global assessment, the report on the inclusion of local and indigenous knowledge, as well as a report on scenarios and modeling.